was amazing. How can you drum that fast, Brody?
Was it me? I wish I could.
And it wasn't any of the sample noises from my tablet. Sounds like it came from the village.
That's exactly what our sound's missing. Do you think whoever it is might want to join our band?
But who is our mystery drummer?
Gran, do you hear a mystery?
You know what? I think I do, Stan.
You two go and investigate. I'm going to try to find some more samples.
And I'm going to try and learn to drum that fast.
Come on then, Stan.
Hey, everyone.
Hi, Stan. I've been practicing, but still can't drum as fast as the mystery drummer.
Have you found them? We need that beat.
Not yet. Who, or whatever it is giving us the runaround.
At first, the drummer was tapping on metal, but now it's tapping on wood. Gran!
Stan!
Granddad! Sorry, I just wanted to join in. What's going on?
We're on the hunt of a mystery drummer, Grandad. This way! It sounds like there are two drummers now, making different sounds. But why can't we see them?
Sound like you have an invisible musician playing a part in this mystery.
An invisible musician. Come on, Breakwater ears. That's it! We found it!
It's a woodpecker. See, Brody?
It's a great spotted woodpecker. They tap on wood with their beaks to find food, but also to talk to each other over long distances. That's what's been happening.
Take a look, Gran.
That must be the sound of another one. And it's still drumming on metal. I wonder...
We didn't see it before because we weren't looking up. But there it